Oh no, the pressure of the air has caused our boat to drift away. You should have tied it down.
My bad, mate.
You better be.
Well, if we cut down this tree we could make a raft and float over to the boat.
You're a genius. The buoyancy of the wood is enough to keep it afloat because of the oxygen pockets in the wood.
You're right. Well, we shall have to make a fire tonight because it's getting dark soon.
Okay, but remember to avoid the fumes because when a combustion reaction occurs it emits carbon dioxide gas and water.
Oh gee, thanks. I wish I was in chemistry.